Basil plant is a household name in some countries like India. Stay tuned with me to know all about basil plant. Hello, I am Priya. Welcome to the Ashoka tree. Holy basil is an aromatic perennial plant. It is used for religious or traditional medicinal purpose. Specifically, it has got much importance in Vaishnava tradition. For the medicinal purpose, it is used as a herbal tea or an essential oil. Let's talk about plant care. Number 1. Plant selection. When you buy a basil plant, observe for a healthy plant which should not have fungus on it. Number 2. Soil mixture. It should have 70% garden soil, 20% vermicompost and 10% coco-peat. Number 3. Pot selection. For basil plant, ideal pot length is 10 to 15 inch. Make 2 or 3 drainage hole on it and make sure you cover them with the stone so that soil does not drain out. Number 4. Watering. This time give sufficient amount of water to it, but next time check out for soil consistency and give water when soil is dry. Please do consider that overwatering can damage the plant. Number 5. Fertilizer. You can give fertilizer to the plant every 20 days. Cow dung fertilizer is the best for the basil plant. Number 6. Pinching. This is very important step which most people give a miss. Pluck off its head and it will result in bifurcation of the branch which will make your plant bushy. Number 7. Pollen seed extraction. If your plant is developing pollen seed, make sure you remove it, otherwise plant will die shortly. Number 8. Insect control. Spray neem oil to protect the plant from the insects and bugs. Mix 10 drops neem oil into 1 liter water bottle and spray to it. It is best to keep the basil plant in the northeast direction of the house for the vastu purpose. That's it for today, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.